Welcome to Homework Lib.
Step by step, identify the major product. So it's a reaction of acylation of alcohols. The acylating agent is succinic anhydride, and that's the alcohol. And usually those reactions are catalyzed by pyridine, triethylamine, or other tertiary amines. And what happens, this part of the anhydride leaves, and before that, the carbonyl is attacked by the nucleophile, which is oxygen. And the product is an ester. Then those two carbons. And then the leaving group, which did not really leave the molecule, but it left the reaction center. So that's the product, ester acid.